The site of Lincoln Cathedral had already been used for major buildings during the Roman and Saxon periods. After the Norman conquest, the new rulers of England chose this location for both a castle and a cathedral. Construction of the first cathedral began in 1072 under Bishop Remigius. The original building followed the Norman architectural style, with thick walls and rounded arches. In 1185, an earthquake caused serious damage to the cathedral. This led to a large rebuilding program in the late 12th and early 13th centuries. During this period, builders began using Gothic architectural features, including pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and larger windows. These changes allowed the structure to be taller and lighter than before. Lincoln Cathedral is particularly known for its early Gothic design. The interior shows careful planning to balance height, light, and structural support. The nave, choir, and transepts were built and modified at different times, which is why the building shows a mix of styles. This makes the cathedral a useful example for understanding how medieval architecture developed. Ongoing repairs explain why the cathedral looks the way it does today. Rather than remaining unchanged, it reflects centuries of maintenance and adaptation. Many of the decorative details, such as carvings and stonework, were created by individual craftsmen. These elements provide valuable information about medieval building techniques and artistic practice. Lincoln Cathedral is important not only for its size and age, but for what it shows about medieval construction over time. Lincoln Cathedral has remained an active place of worship throughout its history. It's also served as a gathering place for the local community. Its history is one of gradual change, shaped by practical needs, available skills, and historical events. Today, it stands as a record of how large buildings were planned, built, and sustained in the Middle Ages. If you're enjoying our videos, take a moment to like and subscribe. That lifts the profile of our channel and makes it easier for other people to find it. See you next time.